Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Buy crypto.com at the price that we are going to talk about and be a millionaire. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see what this coin will be doing and eventually what is the next price target. And the next price target for the bull run, and of course, what is the bottom for the bear cycle? We are going to start with the short-term price analysis right here. We are going to the daily frame, and you can see that CRO against USDT chart has a little bit of a high risk right now. Okay, with the commodity channel index, this uptrend doesn't look so convincing, but at the end of the day, CRO could be up for something very, very good. It could be up for a double bottom pattern. Okay, I'm not saying that we are going to do that, since in order to have a double bottom pattern we need to confirm that we are above the neckline. Okay, whenever we close above the neckline, this is where the real pump will begin, but at the end of the day this is too far away. I want to go to the 4-hour frame as well, and I want to look a little bit at the 4-hour. You can see that CRO right here eventually might be having a little bit of a bullish pennant in the RSI pattern, higher lows, lower highs, but it could possibly be the case right now that the CRO against USDT will be correcting, because this price analysis, this whole price rate here, price action doesn't look so convincing. The most important resistance level for now is the 0.1183. Closing above the 0.1183 will get us all the way up to the 0.1336. Okay, so closing above here will get us all the way up to this price line right now. Now, the real case with CRO is that we want to see eventually, Bill, where can we buy CRO in order to make the best out of it? Where is the bottom of this bearish cycle? And of course, what can we do next? Can we go even higher than the 1 USDT? Can we go even higher than the 2, the 3, the 4, and so on and so on? Okay, we are going to see the next price targets, of course, but for now, let's find a little bit the bottom of the bear cycle. So CRO from here, from where we started and had the high, we corrected for like 90%. Okay, huge correction for CRO. Yeah, things didn't look so good. Okay, I know that, but at the end of the day, what we want to see, we are at the bottom, a near bottom. I would say the best buying opportunity is anywhere below the 0.0974 if we do not have something more impulsive with the crypto market. But if something more impulsive with the crypto market starts, right now it is the bottom. Okay, where we are right now, it is near the bottom. Right here, for example, you can see on Monday 10 October, we reached the point, the below of the 0.10974. Then we had a huge buying pressure, and from there we went a little bit higher. But if we drop down again, and we are lucky, of course, and we drop down from the 0.10974 anywhere below, trust me on that, 1.1087, 0.109, 0.107, okay, anywhere below you should be buying. All right, now we are going to make the worst thing possible. I think that CRO can make is to go at the near 0.107, okay, around there. I think this is the worst thing that CRO can do. But anyway, let's find out the possible targets into the next bull run. So we talked about where the bottom is. We need to know, Bill, where will be the next target for the next bull run. So what I'm going to do right now, it is simply drawing the fib from this top, let's say, to this bottom right here, okay, where we are right now. All right, so the next target for CRO could be that we are going to 1.68 to 2.37 to 3 USDT and so on. Okay, it could be the case that we follow all the targets. If the low is a little bit further down, let's say at the 0.107, these targets keep increasing. But I will just, for, you know, in order actually to not waste your time, I will just get this bottom where we were back on Monday 10 October, and you can see that these targets right here will serve as the next bull run targets. Now, what are the next thing you need to know? It is the 1000%, 2000%, and 2500% to 2600. This is a 27x. If we made it, for example, 26 to 27x, if you made it, then 1000 USDT will bring you 27,000 USDT 10,000 USDT will bring you 270,000 USDT, and I do not want to talk about the next 1,000 USDT that you're going to spend. Of course, you can be a millionaire, okay? Depending on how much money you will spend, you will decide to spend. But anyway, for the time being, for CRO against USDT chart right now, the thing is at 1.6807, 2.373 USDT could be the case that are the next resistance levels after. Okay, all these resistance levels will serve as the next bull run targets for CRO. I'm very optimistic about it. I think that it can surpass the highs that we had back here, this huge impulsive wave for CRO. Look at that right there. I think that we can go all the way upwards. We are just in a moment, a little bit of a correction. Okay, we haven't found yet the buying pressure that we need, the demand that we need, but trust me, it is building up as we go lower. This bearish cycle is bringing huge opportunities. Do not miss them. And of course, what else you should not miss? To join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.